This is a precursor to a YouTube video I'm going to do shortly called Categorize Your Friends. And I'm going to go a little bit more in depth with this. I learned that there are 4 types of friends. And I'm at Friends 2, transitioning to Friends 3, okay? The first level of friends is your survival friends. These are friends that you meet maybe when you're young, your elementary school friends, maybe in early adulthood when you are dependent or you're transitioning from dependence. The second group of friends are your dreaming friends. These are the friends you have realized that you need to get some movement in your life. And you're just like, oh man, one day I'm going to do this. One day I'm going to start a business. One day I'm going to make some music, write some art. I'm going to get my master's degree. Okay, y'all sit there and it feels good. And you connect. You know, it's like, yes, I like this person because they have dreams and ambitions and goals, right? Friendship level 3 is your building friends. Your building friends. These are people when you are when you have survived, when you are building, when you're dreaming, you start to build. These are people who are already in the works of doing stuff, or people who can, encourage you or lend a skill set or direct you to resources. Okay? Friend level 4 is the maintaining friends. Maintaining friends. This is after you have built what you're building and they help you maintain it. So the first thing that just popped up in my mind is marriage, right? When you're in a marriage and the maid of honor is to keep the marriage strong. It's not just a title, okay? That's a little sidebar. But to maintain, to keep things going, to maintain your business, okay? So it is very important not to get stuck on a certain level. Like if you get stuck with your surviving friends, that's all you're going to be doing for the rest of your life, surviving, okay? Your dreaming friends, there comes a time where you done dreaming. So if you're in a circle where all y'all do is dream, you need to cut them loose. Like you need to move on. Like no hard feelings. But I'm done dreaming. When are we going to start executing? We're not executing? Okay. I'll see you later. You know what I mean? And sometimes people just need an example, and you may be that example to push them, to give them, all right, my homegirl did it, let me do it, okay? Level 3 is your building friends, okay? Your building friends have a little bit more permanency because the more you grow, the more you want to keep building. You want to keep building. And then there's your maintaining friends. And your maintaining friends are constants in your life. Building friends, they may be fleeting because you may be building in different areas and aspects of your life. Okay? So, your building friends and your maintaining friends are very, very, very important. Do not get stuck on the 2 lower rungs. Okay? Your building friends are your execution friends. Okay? Your maintaining friends are your, all right, we gotta do this today. We got this appointment. We got this show. We got this. That's what you need. Okay? And don't be afraid to cut off or move forward. And the dreaming level is such a tricky level because it's like, these my people. Like, they get me. You know what I mean? I don't know if anybody else going to get me if it's not them. I'm on level 2 transitioning to level 3. So this is not stuff that I'm telling you from a book. This is literally my experience. So shortly I'll be posting my YouTube video My YouTube channel is Kai Monet Pen. I am a life coach, an inner healing coach. We're going to call it inner healing and success coach now. And I provide resources to people who just want to improve themselves. I intend to particularly target people who have childhood trauma, like foster care, abuse of any kind. Children, I have started a mentorship program. So I really, really, really would appreciate you guys' support. And thank you. Look out for that YouTube video. Subscribe, watch, share. Show your girl some love. You can contact me anytime. See you in a minute.